Hi, I'm Neo, short
for Neapolitan 6.
I'll be your yummy guide today
Through the altered predominant chords.
I'll be telling you about
the Neapolitan 6 chord
because it goes with the kind of ice cream I am. The word
6
refers to the first inversion of the chord. I will tell you about my favorite,
the Neapolitan 6 chord.
You will write it like this.
N6.
Let's say we're in the key
of C minor.
My chord would look like this. F, A flat, D flat. This is a typical chord progression for a minor key. Let's use
C minor.
1, 4,
5,
1.
This is the chord progression with an N6 chord. 1, N6, 5, 1. This is the way the Neapolitan 6 sound when used in a piano piece, Funeral March of the Marionette by Gounod. Dramatic, huh? Now it's time to introduce my friend with the Italian augmented sixth chord.
It's me, Mario. I'm gonna tell you about the Italian augmented sixth chord. It's a free note chord with a unique sound, moving to the 5.
In C minor, you'd have an A flat, a C, and an F sharp. The flat 6, the 1, and the sharp 4.
This is a typical chord progression for a minor key. Let's see the C minor. 1, 4, 6, 5, 1. I'm using the first inversion 4 chord, so the bass line will be the same when I add the Italian 6 chord. This is the chord progression for the Italian augmented 6 chord. 1, Italian augmented 6 chord.
5,
minor 1. This is the way the Italian 6 chord sounds when used on the piano in Beethoven's Piano Sonata for F sharp major. Dramatic. Now it's time to introduce my friend, the French 6 chord.
I love the French augmented sixth chord. The sound. This chord is similar to the Italian, but with an additional tone, a 2 or a second scale degree. This is how it's stacked up to be. A flat, C, D, F sharp. This is a typical chord progression for a minor key. Let's use C minor. 1, 4, 6, 5, 1. This is a chord progression for the French augmented sixth. 1, French augmented sixth chord, 5, and 1. This is the way the French augmented sixth sounds when used in the piano piece Round Midnight by Thelonious Monk. The music has a haunting melody, a little sad with longing, and somewhat somber. Just the way someone would feel when I'm not around.
My chord is also like the Italian, but I add a 3 So together, you might say we are 1, 2, 3. It's a good way to remember us as a team of augmented 6 chords. My chord is used a lot in German pieces like Beethoven. And in C minor, it will look like A flat, C, E flat, F
sharp.
This is a typical chord progression for a minor key. Let's use C minor. 1, 4, 6, 5, 1. This is the chord progression with an German augmented 6th chord. 1, German augmented 6th, 5, 6, 4, 1. This is the way the German augmented 6th chord sounds when used in the piano piece by Debussy called Suite Bergamasque.